Once upon a time in the vibrant land of Al-Andalus, where the scent of orange blossoms filled the air and the harmonious sound of water fountains resonated through the courtyards, lived a diverse group of people. During the reign of the Umayyads, Al-Andalus was a beacon of cultural and religious harmony, a land where Muslims, Christians, and Jews coexisted peacefully. Amongst them was a young Muslim scholar named Tariq. His thirst for knowledge was unparalleled, and he dedicated his life to understanding the wisdom of the Quran. Tariq often visited the bustling town square, where scholars from different faiths would gather to discuss philosophy, science, and divine principles. One day, Tariq found himself beside Samuel, a Jewish philosopher renowned for his insights into ethics, and Maria, a Christian healer with extensive knowledge of herbal remedies. Their discussions about morality, ethics, and compassion transcended religious boundaries, birthing a profound friendship rooted in respect and shared curiosity. Together, they examined the teachings of their respective traditions. Tariq shared insights from the Hadith, speaking of the Prophet Muhammad's emphasis on kindness and justice. Samuel contributed wisdom from the Torah, highlighting the importance of loving one's neighbor as oneself. Maria spoke of the teachings of Christ, urging patience and forgiveness. As days turned into months, their intellectual pursuits blossomed into a project dedicated to fostering unity among their communities. They organized a symposium, inviting individuals of all backgrounds to engage in dialogue and learning. Featuring natural remedies, ethical debates, and interfaith discussions, the symposium was held in the local mosque's courtyard, echoing the inclusive spirit of Andalusia. People from all walks of life attended, exchanging ideas on living harmoniously within diversity while maintaining their cultural identities. Tariq, Samuel, and Maria understood that their endeavor was more than an academic exercise. It was a heartfelt tribute to the land they cherished. A land that celebrated difference, not as division, but as a myriad of colors woven together into a golden tapestry. In witnessing the unity and appreciating diverse perspectives, the people of Al-Andalus discovered a profound truth. Differences need not divide. Instead, they could enrich. Moral: embracing diversity and fostering unity among different cultures and faiths leads to a harmonious and enriched society.